Here's a quick and dirty way to make a homemade version of a $20 to $30 splicing tool, which we'll use for splicing, but I'm gonna most often use this for pulling a belt in a belt sleeve and a papoose for the PHLster Enigma. So all we're gonna do is snip the tips, straighten out the bends over here, and put our own bend in the center. It's easier to use a stout pair of pliers, but I'm just gonna do it using plain old needle nose pliers. I'll take the cutting section and snip one end and then the other, and then we can, let's do this right about there. Kind of straighten that out. It doesn't have to be perfect. Straighten out this other end. And then this is the critical part. The business end will want to be kind of in the center. Doesn't have to be perfect. We'll squeeze that nice and small. And then it'll be easier to feed the belt through the longer this tool is, but I'm still going to make it good handle, so that'll be it.